In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 websites that will pay you $10 for every 20 minutes of work straight to your PayPal account. I'm very excited for this one. Welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is the first time on my channel, I'm always putting out new content about how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, and different ways on how you could, of course, make money on the internet from the comfort of your own home. If that is a thing that interests you and you want to learn more, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel so you could be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So the very first thing that you will need to have, in order to really do this is you will, of course, need to have a PayPal account. As you can see here, I'm currently on the paypal.com website. So you will need to have a PayPal account if you want to, of course, make money with, this, because each of these websites, they pay exclusively to PayPal, to your PayPal account. And if you are not able to get a PayPal account, then unfortunately this may not be available. This may not, be an option for you. But the benefit with this is that this is pretty much available worldwide. As long as you have access to PayPal, then you could absolutely make some money with this exact strategy. This exact strategy that I'm going to be sharing in this video. So all you'll need to do is create a PayPal account if you don't already have one, and if you do, then you are pretty much all set to get started. So let's get right into things. So the first site that I want to go over is called UserTestingcom. And each of these websites, these are all websites where you could, of course, get paid to test websites and mobile apps. And you get paid around, usually on average, $10 for every 20 minutes of work that you're doing. So essentially what you're doing is you are, getting paid to test websites. And this website right here, usertesting.com, is of course one of the more well-known websites, and this is where a lot of big, companies, big online brands, they come to the site because they of course want to get feedback on how they can improve their website, how they can make it, more user-friendly, and what are some things that they could of course improve. So they are looking for feedback from, average, everyday users just like yourself to, go into their websites, share your experience, and then, talk about how they could, of course, improve their website. So this is the homepage right here, and as you can see, they've worked with companies like Walmart, Facebook, Expedia, Ancestry, eBay, Family Search, Citrix. So these are fairly well-known brands that have, of course, worked with UserTesting.com. But of course, if you want to, get paid to test websites, all you want to do is come up to the top that says get paid to test. You just want to click on this, and this is where you could sign up to become a website tester. And now, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I will include the links to each of these websites below in the pinned comment down below. So if you want to check these websites out for yourself, I will have them all linked to you where you can just, of course, check them out. But right here it says earn up to $60 per test that you take. That's usually if you get like a longer test. For the most part, it pays around on average $10 for every test that you take, which takes about 20 minutes of work. So pretty good, actually, pretty good earning potential. The concept is very straightforward. All you have to do is visit a website or an app. So some of them are on you take on your PC or your Mac. Others, they will have you take some either on your iPhone or Android device. So it's pretty cool. You could take them, either on your computer or your mobile phone, and then they give you a screen recorder that you, of course, install on your device. You of course, want to have that on, and then as you are going through the website, you just want to record your screen, kind of like how I'm doing right now, and then all you have to do is pretty much speak your thoughts out loud. So as long as you could speak English fluently, then you could absolutely do this. They are, of course, looking for feedback on how they could, of course, improve their sites. But again, visit the website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then, of course, get paid. So that's pretty much how it works there. And to get started with user testing, all you have to do is just enter your email here. Check the box right here that says you've, of course, agreed with the terms of service, and then you click the sign me up button. And then from there, they will send you an email, to your inbox, and you, of course, have to go there, confirm your email address, all that type of stuff. I'm sure you're very well familiar with that. And then once you, of course, get set up, they will have you take some sort of, like a test, just to kind of see exactly how you do. And if you do well with it, then they will pretty much, accept you into the platform, right then and there. So I'm going to scroll down a bit more, and there's a video right here that says, pretty much kind of goes over how that works. It says get paid, $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you complete. So again, pays you to visit websites and apps, of course, completing a set of tasks and speaking your thoughts out loud. So very simple concept, really does not take that much skills at all. This is pretty much something that almost anyone can do, and this is something that I have actually done myself. So I could actually log into my user testing account, and I will actually show that this is something that I have actually done before to make money online. I have earned a little bit with this platform, but I'll log in right now just to kind of show you, just kind of give you an idea on what to, of course, expect with UserTestingcom. So I'm going to log in real quick. And as you can see here, this is, of course, you're seeing this live on video. I'm currently logging in. And this is exactly what it looks like, once you, of course, get set up. This is the back office. And you, of course, get, these are, of course, some of the tests that are, of course, available right now. So essentially how this one works is you have to, okay, this is for Mac users. I don't want to do that right now. Okay, there it is. So anyways, essentially how this works is, they have, different, of course, tests available. And before you, of course, get, approved to take a test, you have to, go through a screener. So they ask you a few questions, you, of course, just fill it out, you fill out like a short survey, and it'll determine, whether or not you are eligible for the test. Now, the unfortunate reality is that most of these tests that you, of course, go through, you may not be available right away. Most of them, they're looking for very specific responses. So of course you want to answer very, honestly. You want to give your honest thoughts. And if you aren't necessarily approved, then no worries. You could always just try and more of them, throughout the day, and then see exactly which ones, of course, approve you. Once you get approved for a test, then you could pretty much take it, the test right then and there. And then once you complete the the 20-ish minute video, then you get paid the $10 via PayPal. And I believe it takes usually about, like 3 to 7 days to, of course, get paid out to your PayPal account. But I've completed 2 tests on this platform before. If I go to completed tasks, it'll show that I have, of course, completed 2. So I've made a total of $20 on this platform. Again, it's not a whole lot. This isn't something that you, of course, can expect to make like a full-time income with, but it is a great way to start earning some side income, on the side. You, of course, you want to check the website regularly, see whenever there is, new tests available, and then, whenever you, of course, see new projects available, then you just want to go through the screeners. You fill out the questions, and you see whether or not you are, of course, eligible to take the test. So that is pretty much how user testing works right there. That's the first one I want to go over. The second one works very similar to that. It's called UserTestingcom. Again, pretty much the same concept. Get paid to test websites and apps. So register and earn money. You just, of course, complete the short form on their page to sign up. Interact with their web or mobile app. So I believe they do have a mobile. I think they do have a mobile app as well that you can get. And then all you have to do is just go through a test. They give you a set of instructions. You read them out loud. You want to go through the the instructions that it lays out for you, and then you want to be speaking your thoughts as you are of course going through the website. And if there is anything that you feel they could improve upon, you of course want to share that in the video, because these website owners, they're usually looking more for feedback on how they could, of course, improve their website. That's really what they're looking for the most. So you of course want to go through the different tasks that it lays out for you, and then just pretty much complete the tasks. So, and then after that, once you complete your video, then you get paid via PayPal. So looks like this one it'll pay you anywhere from $5 to $20 for every test that you complete. Usually around average, it's about $10 for every test that you, of course, complete, and they usually take around 20 minutes or so to, of course, complete one on average. That's pretty much how that works there. But to get started with Userlytics, you need to be 16 years of age or older. You have to, of course, agree to their terms of service, and then that's pretty much all you really need there. As long as you have a desktop computer or like a mobile phone that could, of course, use the internet, then this is definitely something that you could, of course, do. You just want to, of course, have some sort of microphone, whether it is like a microphone kind of like how I'm using right here, or if you could have some sort of like headset where you, of course, wear it, you're speaking your thoughts out loud. As long as you have one of those two things, and you have like a device that could, of course, go on the internet, then this is definitely something you could do to start making some money online. So those are the first 2 websites you could, of course, check out yourself. And the third one is very similar to that. It is called betatesting.com. Again, same exact concept. You could sign up just with your email address right here, and pretty much what they're looking for. You just complete new tests. You test the new apps or websites, complete the tasks that they give you. You give feedback. And on average, you earn $10 to $20 for every test that you take. It shows here who's eligible to participate. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be able to speak and write fluently in English. So again, you need to, of course, speak your thoughts out loud. And then you must have either a PC or Mac. So it looks like in this one, they're looking mostly for people like on desktop devices. But as long as you have that, again, these are sites that pretty much, anyone can sign up for. Very simple, very straightforward. It isn't something that you could, of course, earn a full-time income with. I wouldn't fully depend on it for that. But it is a great way to start earning some money online by testing out websites that, ones that you may have, of course, used yourself. And they're pretty much, just paying you to, of course, go through the website and just speak your thoughts out loud. So those are the 3 websites that I, of course, wanted to go over in this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below if you had any experience with any of these websites or if you plan on actually trying out any of them yourself. In my case, I have used user testing before. I have made some money on that one. These other ones, I haven't exactly dove too much into them, but there are other alternatives out there in terms of, different ways of how you could, of course, test websites and get paid for giving your feedback on them. So those are the websites that I want to go over. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, give this video a like if you found it helpful, because it really does help the channel. But if you want to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, let's say that this sounds cool, but you aren't too keen on like spending lots of time trading time for money, and you want to learn how to create more of a passive income online. Well, the very first link in the description will give you access to my free training I put together, and that really shows you how to really build a business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So this is what I really recommend going for in the long term, because having an affiliate marketing business allows you to pretty much work wherever and whenever you want to on your own terms. You could pretty much be your own boss, live the laptop lifestyle, and have the potential of earning passive income online. So if that is something that truly interests you and you want to learn how to create that lifestyle, then my very first link in the description will give you access to my free training, and that pretty much walks you through really how to build a long-term business online through that entire concept. So be sure to check out that free training there. I hope you enjoyed this video. But anyways, take care.